Hello and welcome to another Google Merchant Center suspension restoration case study. And today the case study is about Google Merchant Center account suspended for website or online store needs improvement. So let's get started on this. So hello, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company, and we provide different solutions related to Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Facebook Ads SEO. So today, another client came to us, and I'm explaining the whole story because it was a recurring client. It's an old client. So this was an original, the GMC which was given to us. You can see the customer ID over here, and the issue was website or online store needs improvement. And they pointed out five specific errors. Your website should have a domain name that matches with the uploaded name, which is a very obvious thing. I do not hardly think that such an error could be on any GMC store. The second is your entire website should not have any broken links. That is a very common error. And out of the many case studies we have dealt so far regarding misrepresentation of GMC, even some were products not allowed, some was pharmacy issues and everything. This was a common error of websites having broken links. The third was your website should not contain any placeholder images or text. Now, most of the people don't know about the placeholder, but that is a valid checklist point. And if your website has a placeholder, sometimes it's a plugin which has a placeholder, or sometimes it's a website theme or error issue where there is a placeholders. That can be another suspension reason as well. And the product details in categories should match those that you provide in your product data. Your website shouldn't contain generic information and shouldn't miss crucial information about products. So generic information means copy and paste product, not specific. And the crucial information means it is just providing a valid, just a basic information about the product, but not all the data. Okay, now this is the general overview. When you try to do an audit, we have so far 170 steps checklist in a GMC, the Google Ads distributable cases, where we see what could be the error, and we have developed those after working around and solving various cases of Google Merchant Center. So this came to us, case came to us, and I'm will show you further more information as well, so you guys can see as well. For instance, the GMC also had error of invalid square logo, invalid rectangular logo, and there were some item issues as well. You can see over here the target country was UAE, and the account products suspended for policy violation, unavailable desktop landing page for one product, unavailable mobile landing page, limited performance due to missing value GTIN. Okay, limited if your account can be approved and should have an error of limited performance, so this is an ignorable error. And incorrect value identifier exists. This was another error. So I'm just showing you all the details or on the account. And then this was our first audit which we done. We figured out some dead links. We figured out some placeholder issues. We figured out some contact error disagreement between the GMC and the website, because we were doing the website audit as well, and some testimonial issues. And we try to check almost every feature and function of the website, including the email function, adding products manually, seeing the checkout, any issues in the checkout procedure, the value of the payment methods you are showing on the website exactly matches at your at your checkout. Then we also suggested the social media engagement for post, and we also suggested some pages need to be corrected. I'm just in large of font so you guys can understand as well. And some further errors as well was being enlisted in our first audit. And then this was because on the one hand we were doing the constant audit, and on the other hand one of our staff member was continuously in touch with the Google support regarding what could be the error or issues, so we can have a second opinion from Google support as well, being a Google partner company. Okay, so after various attempts, various discussions, they were the few things which they figured out could be an error issue for the website or online store needs improvement. The site contains basic requirements such as contact information, return and refund policy, billing terms and conditions, and secured payment No broken links are found based on the tabs and links that I have checked. No placeholder images or text. No issues found in the sample as the product details such as and by it all consistent all the details on the feed. I was able to smoothly go through the checkout process without errors. So he said that while I found no issues upon my investigation, I see that there have been multiple reviews raised on the account suspension. I am unable to review have this issue raised to why the team as of the moment as the account is on currently on a cool down period. So the account was in the cool down period at the moment, when we discussed with our supporting, and they also have a wider supporting as well. So during the cool down period, we do not wanted to wait the time, and we started doing further investigations. There was another email as well, and that was also when the cooldown period also came to end, and that was some landing page issues, some improvement required over the for the quality of the landing page that was discussed. I'm just showing you a few of the constant supports channels being discussed. There were also emails as well and a lot of stuff as well. So, and then there was another audit by team done. When we do an audit, we do the 170 step checklist. Plus, we compare them with the approved websites to see again where the error or issue could be. So we looked on email subscription, we looked on the footer, we looked on the essential pages, contact us pages, about us pages, product pages, user reviews, site speed, social media profile, and then again there was few things as well that the site speed could be improved, the social media profiles should be added over in the website. Some products lacks description, it was just basic description over there. So we figured out more issues as well. And then there was another email done, and I think that you are not able to read it because that is a confidential information, and that was regarding the GMC advertiser verification which was needed to be done on the account, and the client gave us free hand and provided the information required to get the advertiser verification done on the GMC Google Merchant Center account. Once the advertiser verification was done, we made another audit as well. Okay, and then we figured out more. We looked on other products as well. We see the speed which further gone down, so that was another disappointment to us as well. Then we did an audit, and then while this was, we actually worked on the content, we actually interlinked as well. And then we also looked on Google Search Console errors on the Google Search Console, which were the cause of concern, the issues that could be uh, on the Google Search Console that could be the reason for GMC suspension. We looked around. So overall, it was not only GMC suspension but also sorting out SEO errors as well, on-page SEO issues as well. We also assisted in that as well, optimizing the site speed, looking around on meta tags and everything, making the website more SEO friendly, looking around on the broken links, looking around on any more Search Console error or issues. Some had some wrong snippets added, which we sorted as well. And then rather requesting the request review button on the GMC, we insisted to go with the manual route of Google support, because we are a Google partner company and we use that. Because once you select the request review button, and in case if the review gets failed, you have to wait for 14 days due to the cool down period, which we do not want it to wait again, because the process took already long enough time. So when we discussed, when then there was an email to us, and you can see over here as well that, hi Mohammed, this was again to one of our staff members. We have a multiple staff members as well enrolling, taking multiple support. I understand that you are concerned about the suspension of your Google Merchant Center account, and I apologize for the delay. I will be happy. I received information feedback from our reviews team, and I'm glad to inform you the said suspension for misrepresentation was lifted, and Google Merchant Account Center is now approved. Although the suspension was due to online websites to online store or website needs improvement, but they changed it to misrepresentation, and the last moment, they said, yeah, that your GMC account is now approved. We are happy that your products are now eligible to be served, and I'm going to show you one of the live. So this was an account, and you can see over here as well, the free listings were disapproved, the shopping ads were disapproved, and then eventually it went into pending items. You can see over here and then it is now in approved figure. So I can even do the refresh as well. So, to show you guys as well that this is all approved and all running. So this is another successful case for GMC, which was suspended for website or online store needs improvement. And we have done various case studies regarding misrepresentation and many other errors of GMCs. Even we help with Google Ads account suspension, Bing Ads account suspension. We even help with campaign management. We also help with the landing page, website designing, web development. So in case, I hope you like this case study. So in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and we will be happy to answer those. And in case if you like our services, make sure to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will be happy to assist and sort your any error related to GMC, Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook ads, suspension, or even auditing the Google Ads account, Google Shopping campaigns, optimizing those, creating new digital marketing campaigns, or even helping with landing page. So, lastly, I would like to say that make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a video like this, you get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.